The Embassy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in Cotonou is the meeting point for the first year anniversary of the Nigerian in Diaspora organization Women's Wing in Benin. On the guest list for the day were the best of Nigeria is also celebrated at the Nigerian ambassador to the Republic of Benin, Ambassador Tukur Buratai, represented by his wife Aisha, and members of the diplomatic community in the Francophone West African country. It is an evening of music, culture and fashion peculiar to Nigeria, and they are presented in different formats.
We have gathered here to celebrate the women.
Speeches flow from the perspective of the rich cultural practices of the people of Nigeria and the relationship that has existed between the people and their host for decades.
It is imperative that women and girls will have access to the productive health, access to finance, women empowerment programs, equal opportunities in education, the policy and decision-making process, and in democratic processes and positions.
I commend the Nigerians in Diaspora organization Women Wing in Benin for positively representing the image of Nigerian women in Benin Republic and protecting the integrity of women and girl child. I implore you to keep up the good work and continue to act as a beacon of hope for women.
And every girl child.
The Nigerian in Diaspora organization Women's Wing in Benin was conceived not just as part of the umbrella body NIDO, but as an idea by concerned women who are unhappy about the erosion of values that has crept deep into Nigerian youth, especially those who seek one career or another in Benin.
For us in Benin here, when you hear and you see a lot of young people that have come here supposed to be university students, but the police are arresting them. They are doing things that they're not supposed to do. It's important to teach them what it is to be a Nigerian. And the system has changed. We have to bring back some of what we had before. We had a lot of, beautiful memories of Nigeria, and coming out of it and seeing the young people bring down the country's name is very, very depressing. We're interested in changing these children. So we decided, okay, let's go to the universities, let's talk to them and come and see changing their lives. It's like nobody ever talked to them. And they understand today that they have like mothers, even though their mothers are in Nigeria, that they have mothers here as well. So they're more confident, they're trying to change their ways and do what is right as a Nigerian.
We're going to be able to transform students because we had a lot of cases. One of the reasons why women came together to protest, we saw most of the students coming from Nigeria do what were not expected, and we put ourselves, so we're going to work closely with the school owners, make sure that what the students leave Nigeria to come here for is what they will get, and even beyond. And then also our women, some of us are into, you saw at the exhibition stand that we've got a lot of things, but the challenges are that most of them are not exposed. So, but this platform, we said this year we want to give minimum of 100 women, that are into artisans and all that. We want to bring them to formalize their businesses and then begin to get to the next level.
The women in Benin, Nigerian women in Benin, they've given us the reason to know that they are really here to support Nigerian women on ground here. They have this inspiration of giving Nigerian women all the support they needed, and that's why we meant to, with the NIDO, Nigerian in Diaspora men, give them the support they really needed for things to go with the dream they are aspiring with.
We appreciate what the women are doing. Before they started, they came to us, the men, and said this is what they want to do. And today, they've already proved that they can do a lot of things. And we are exchanging an idea with them to see how best we could assist them in helping Nigerians here in Benin Republic.
In propagating the message of changing the narrative about Nigeria, relevant agencies and organizations in their host country are willing to partner them not just on issues affecting women and the girl child, but in other areas.
I know that there are certain things that our girls have to learn from Nigerian women and Nigerian girls. Working with Nigerian women and Nigerian girls, I have noticed one thing. What we call self-esteem is in the genes of Nigerian women. And what we call how can I say it? Making business, even starting a small business, is in the blood of Nigerian women. And I think that it is time for us to learn for each other. Instead of looking for a role model from outside, from America or from Europe.
The Self magazine that will properly document issues affecting the Nigerian youth, the struggles and achievements of Nigerians in diaspora is also introduced as part of the event. It is a major strategy to henceforth control the narrative about them and what they do. The bigger picture is to ultimately be able to influence policies and governance positively back in their home country. Tokunbo Oyetunji, Arise News, Cotonou.